Hello and welcome. My name is Seven Vinton. I'm an employee of the Department of Education Victoria and I'm currently teaching at Oberon High School. Okay, so today we're going to have a quick look at Word Online and have a look at its features and how to use it and a little bit more about document libraries and how they work. So we'll go across to a document library. Here I am on my site on the Department of Education Office 365. So let's go and have a look. Okay, so here I have a document library that has a couple of documents in it. So if I want to edit or comment on this particular Word file here, I can just go ahead and click on it and it will bring it up in Word Online. So from here, if I want to just make a comment on it, I don't have to go into the edit mode for this document. I can just click on the comments tab and then that will allow me to put a comment against any part of this document. So I simply just highlight the section that I want to comment on and come across to the right hand side and click new comment. And then you would just put in your comment and push the post button there. So then if I click away from that, you will see there's a little icon on the right hand side of the page that shows there's a comment against this section. So by clicking on that icon, it will bring up that comment. And then obviously if you want to delete a comment, you can click on the little X delete icon to the right hand side of that comment. Now when you make a comment, your name will appear against it. So when multiple people comment on a particular document, you can see who has commented on that document. So you can imagine this is a pretty useful tool when it comes to student work and then the teacher providing feedback against a student's work. And if you wish to enable it, students commenting on each other's work as well, or multiple teachers commenting on a student's work. Okay, so if you want to actually edit this document, then you would come across to the side here and click on the Edit Document tab. So here we have two choices. We can edit in Word, which will bring this document up in the desktop application, so that's the Word application on your computer, or you can choose to edit the document in Word Online. So I'm going to choose Edit in Word Online. And here we have this document open up within the browser in Microsoft Word Online. And you can see the tool ribbon up the top here, which looks very familiar to you because it is the same as on the desktop application for Word. There's only some features that the Word Online doesn't have that the desktop application has, but most of the features are present in Word Online, and that's the same for Excel Online, PowerPoint Online, and OneNote Online. Okay, so from here you can simply edit as you would on your desktop application. And when you're done, there's no need to save because these files save automatically. So you can just go ahead once you've finished and push the back button, and that will save the changes that you've made. Now you might feel a little bit nervous about having a document shared to a group of people, and each has edit control over that document. I mean, what if somebody makes a mistake or deletes a section, etc.? Well, the good thing about operating within an environment like Office 365 is that document versioning is in place. So by default, document versioning is in place for the major drafts on a document, and I'll show you now how that works. So with this particular document here, we click on that, on the little tick on the left hand side of the document, and then go up to the top tab and click on Files. We can see that there's a version history for this particular document. So by clicking on that, it will bring up the version history with the dates for each of those versions. So if there is a mistake or there's information deleted, you can always roll back to a previous document version. So there's no need to worry about information being lost in that case. So when you have multiple people working on a document at the same time, you can actually view the changes that each person is making live online. So you see an icon come up against the sections of the document they're using as they're making those changes as well. So the place where you can ensure that your document library does have version control enabled is under the Library tab. You go to Library Settings, and then you can see here Version Settings. If you click on the Version Settings, you can see for this particular document library we have Create Major Versions. So you can switch this off, or you can enable Create for minor and major changes to that document. And that is the same right across the whole Office 365 suite. So even in OneDrive, so in your personal OneDrive, it works exactly the same. So if we click on a document here in this OneDrive document library, click on the Files tab, we will also see that there's a version history for that document. Okay, so hopefully that's helped. Be sure to check any of my other videos as well. Thank you.